All Saints Episcopal Church in Calvert County, Sunderland, Gordon Graham is more than just a church member. The 89-year-old rings the electronic bell he donated decades ago for services and funerals.
So as we walk out to the graveyard there and the bell is tolling, and it's really a nice sound, and they appreciate it.
While Graham's contribution is met with gratitude, he says the audience for this tradition appears to be changing.
It's like it used to be when it was all farmers here, and they could all take time off to come to the funeral. And of course, you generally knew everybody here. So, but now so many people are working on a job, and not many show up like they used to. The church, originally was an important part of the community. And it was time, on Sundays, you came to church, and after the service, you went outside, and all the farmers talked to each other, like, have you got tobacco plants up yet, or so on? And so it was time to see your other neighbors there that you hadn't had time to during the week. And it was involved in the community, too. You had dinners, and all kind of things like that. It's getting away from it now, because people, I'd say 80% here aren't farmers anymore. Probably more than that.
Bernard Leo Dixon has been ringing the bell for the past 30 years at St. Joseph's Church in Pomfret. In that time, he has recognized an ever-changing community that is reflected in the church. Much of the change based on a shift away from a farming community as in Calvert County. But this doesn't stop Dixon from making his way to the second floor of the church every Sunday morning, and his reason for this is simple.
So I'm doing it. I want to see everybody come to church. Seems like it wakes them up or something.